You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from French and medical terms, celebrities too, stay tuned. So this is used as a first name. It's a famous actress, American actress, Paget. That's how it's generally pronounced as a name. The French pronunciation is Paget. Now, there's also a disease which is called Paget, also Paget disease. How do you pronounce it yourself? Paget or Paget? Let us know in the comments and where you're from. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.